Welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is Aditya. In this video, we are going to talk about the Vivo Y15 smartphone. This phone comes with triple rear camera setup, it comes with a large size battery, and it has a tall screen profile with a modern touch design. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Vivo Y15 smartphone. So we have this Vivo Y15 smartphone with us, and we have the 4GB RAM variant with 64GB. In terms of the box, it basically talks about the model of the phone. So you have the Y15 written right at the bottom. It also says 5000 mAh battery because they want to tell people that this has a large battery. So it's always a good thing to have. Vivo branding is also there at the top, and at the back you have some features highlighted about the features of the phone. So you have the AI triple rear camera, which is there on the Vivo Y15. You have a 5000 mAh battery, you have a 16 megapixel front camera as well. Apart from that, now let's look inside the phone and see what we have. But most importantly, we have the burgundy red variant with us, so we also have a nice color to look at. So yeah, now let's get inside the box and see what we have. So as you can see, we have the box and we've opened it here. This is the Vivo Y15 smartphone, and as we mentioned, this is the red color. So it's neatly wrapped inside this case, and we are going to take off this case now to see the actual phone in hand. And it's got a nice feel to it, and it has a nice modern touch with the water drop notch, so basically gives you a larger viewing space for the screen. It's got a rear fingerprint scanner as well, triple rear cameras. So yeah, this basically is the red variant of the Vivo Y15 smartphone. Moving on, what else do we have inside here? So we have this warranty card / SIM ejector pin. Whole package is there inside this neatly wrapped case, and you also have the startup guide. So quick startup guide is basically giving you all the instruction as to how you fit a SIM inside this phone, how to open the SIM slot and use it to eject the slot to fit in the card. Also used for the micro SD card storage expansion. Warranty card is there. So let's say if you have some issue with the phone, you can actually go to a store, but you need the warranty card to make sure that you are valid and eligible for any kind of warranty benefits that you get from Vivo. This is basically what you get in terms of the paperwork for the phone. You have this nicely wrapped case also. Apart from that, you have this micro USB cable which is there inside the box, neatly wrapped inside. It's white in color. This is used for data transfer as well as charging the phone, which happens through this white color travel adapter. So now the use of this cable with the travel adapter means that you can actually detach it from here and use it for data transfer whenever you want, and you can also use it for charging. So it's a multi-purpose cable, and we really like the fact that you get that convenience. So talking about the cable and the adapter, now the adapter is white in color, and as you can see, it's got a Vivo branding, and it says it offers up to 50 Hertz and 5 watts of output. Apart from that, you have this IMEI sticker that you get. So you basically, if you really want to show it across in terms of the numbers, that you have the true identity of your device, so you have that as well. So this is the overall package of the Vivo Y15 smartphone. So inside the box of Vivo Y15, you're getting travel adapter with this micro USB cable. You have all the essential details that you need from this quick startup guide, and the warranty card, which is definite. So please do not lose that for any reason. You have the phone, we have the red color over here, and the Vivo Y15 branding is spread all across the box. So you will definitely get a highlighting element of which phone that you're looking at. This is the unboxing of the Vivo Y15 smartphone. For more videos, stay tuned to hindustantimes.com.